take it real soon.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do, courtesy of Morus.com. Check them out. My link will be down below, or actually their website link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart and check out. Here we go, guys. We're going to see what's inside. We got a big old box today. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Holiday weekend upon us. Hopefully you guys are safe. And let's get this thing open now. Holy moly. This is a Morus Zero vacuum technology ultra fast tumble dryer. Swiffer, smarter, safer. Whoa. This would be good for your workout area. If you have like a garage gym or outdoor gym or even a basement gym, you can have this one downstairs and put your workout clothes in. At least keep it dry, and then you're all set. We're going to test this thing out and see how it works. So, got here Morus Zero. Really cool. Be right back. Alright guys, here it is. The Morus Zero vacuum technology ultra fast tumbler dryer. Really nice. Oh, there I am. This was inside the box. Power cord's inside this thing, which is inside here. Whoop, there I am. Open side right here. Look at that. You can fit your work outfit, in case you're in a rush and you get a little stain. Bada boom, bada bing. Right down here, I think this is where the water goes, so you need to empty it, I do believe. I haven't looked at the instructions yet, so here's the rack. You can put shoes in here for your running shoes or your tennis shoes, or look at that though. I wish I had this when I had my apartment. This is super cool. Here's a LED display. Smart, quick shirt, silk. You could do silk shirts. Warm, refresh, shoes, sanitize. So really cool. A lot of cool features. I haven't really turned it on yet, so I can't wait to see how this thing sounds and starts up. I'm going to grab probably like 2 shirts. I don't want to overstuff it, right, for the video. But plus I want to break it in the right way. So I'll just do like a small load right now and just throw, 2 shirts in. So that'd be perfect for, it's kind of hard to carry, but definitely good to have in your condo, apartment, college dorm, your office, in case you get a stain at your shirt. Just wash it really quick and throw it in there. It's so crazy, especially with the rainstorms. It doesn't take that much room either. It's a good size. It's like a jet airliner. Look at that. There's a cord. Like I said, a shoe rack or some kind of rack. Not sure how this goes, so I'm going to have to look at the good old manual right here. And then, like I said, give me a few minutes. I'm going to pause you guys right about now, get everything together, and voila. But everything is unboxed. This is what it looks like when you get it. Everything is in great shape. Great packaging job. So definitely check it out, guys. Father's Day is coming up. So this will be a cool one to get. And at an affordable price too. So look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, before we get started, I got my shirt, socks. We got the power cord. And a really brief little description on what each stuff does. I'll start with the top. Right there. We got mold selection. Minus. Child-proof lock. Plus timer. On and off power. button definitions right here. So that's easy. And now, good stuff. Do not use multiple products on power strip. So just keep it with one. Yep, I was right about this. This is where the water goes. So make sure when this is done drying to take it out and then empty it. Do not open this drawer while the clothes are drying. Just let it dry completely and then, start a second load. But once it starts, do not replace, other clothes into it. So that'll be a no-no. But definitely nice. And now, yeah, you could do shoes. And that is the drying rack on top. So it comes with a little drying rack. Silk mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time each press increases or decreases 5 minutes. The minimum time is 5 minutes. The maximum is 90. And default is 60. Suitable for silk garments with tumble dry label. After use, there is still residue heat in the drum. Be careful and not to get burned. So don't touch the metal because it's still hot. There's a lint filter, which is in there. So when you're done drying, just make sure you shut it off. Leave it for a few minutes and then come back to it. It shows how to take it apart. So that's easy to do. Don't need to do that yet. So we'll wait till that apart. Precautions: cleaning the device. Do not clean directly with water. Do not use spray cleaners. Clean it with a towel or a cloth. So, alright, it's pretty simple. Maximum capacity is 1.5 kg. Power 1100 watts to 1200 watts. We got everything. Time to plug her in and test this thing out. Definitely excited. So thank you guys over at Morus.com for sending me this unit for review. And definitely I'm going to put some good use to it once we get this started. So, but like I say, you can use this for anything. There you go. There's a plug. Should be in the back somewhere. Hopefully it's on a weird spot. Nope. Here is the back. Right there, there's a power switch. So I just gotta get the cord situated. Plug it in right in there. There we go. Nice. And then plug this in. Whoa. Alright, we got some action going here. I think I gotta hit the switch. Or is this a switch? Oh, there we go. Whoa. Okay, let me shut it off. Whoa, that is pretty cool. Give it a minute. Door open. Let me wash my clothes a little bit. Get it wet. Be right back. See? Got my shirts and socks. Like I say, got rain on, a little wet here. Throw it in there. Shut the door. Make sure it's locked. Put the power on. It's already on smart mode, so we're going to keep it at that. That's pretty cool. Got the light up in there. Hold on one sec. There we go. That is crazy. That light is pretty trippy too. Kind of throws everything around like a tumbler. There I am. You can see me clear. And right on top. 13 minutes. Also, there's a little timer. We're not going to be the full 13 minutes. I'll pause you guys in a minute, and then once it's about done, we'll see the results. Be right back. Guys, there it is. All done. Ooh, it's warm. So be careful. These things are, holy moly. Whoa. Amazing. Yeah, be careful with the rim. It's going to be really warm. So, like, when it shuts off, when the timer is done, be careful. Let it sit maybe for a few minutes and then pull your clothes out. Unless you're really careful, you could dive right in. But like I said, it is really warm around the tumbler, so use extreme caution. But definitely really cool tumbler. Morus Zero, coming from Morus.com. But yeah, super hot right in there. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good holiday weekend. Check them out. They got the holiday sale going on right now. And definitely try to get one. But something new technology. Really cool, though. Definitely, like I said, I wish I had this in my apartment. And stuff like this is so cool. Alright, thank you guys. Be safe. Have a good weekend.